Are you wanted by the law? Yeah? Because sometimes I put the stuff up on Facebook, so. I had a couple that riding out here last summer. And I said, well, I put these up on Facebook. And the guy's like, my wife and her husband don't know we're here. Please don't do that. I was like, you didn't have to tell me all that. You could have just said, no, I don't want my picture on Facebook. I had a guy friend who was dating a pretty Swedish girl. I did. Oh, Erin Riley. Don't tell me. I know it's her name is Leslie Apple. Uh-huh. Emily. Yeah, I remember Emily. She lived in Corrales at the time. Yep. Oh, yeah? Oh, really? Yeah, I remember Emily. Oh, no, if it's anything to do with horses, I remember it. Now, if I met him at a soccer game or something like that, I'll have no clue. No. No. My friend Aaron liked her a lot. He was, of course, that's down where the trail goes. Yeah, just lean back well coming down there, grab the back of the saddle. Very nice, Priscilla. And there's no hurry on this trail because it's kind of slick. Tweety. This is one of the prettiest trails we have out here. And because you can't get to it with a motorcycle or a four-wheeler, you never see anybody up here. Well, there's too many jumps and cliffs and things that they got to do to, where we jump down that rock back there. They can't do that on a four-wheeler. You see Shannon much, Mark? Oh, did you? Yeah, she had how's she doing? She had she did a somersault on the horse not too long ago, huh? Oh yeah? I once had that many. Doesn't take long to collect more. Stop right there, Karen. Remember, we close gaps from the front, not from the back. All right, go. Good boy, Tree. Good boy, Tree, go. Pretty, huh? Yes, exactly. That's what I tell everyone. I'm like, if it was dark red, it'd be Sedona. If it was light red, if it was pink, it'd be in Moab. Yes, it'd be full of tourists and Budweiser cans and. Huh? Yep. But just no, go around the tree that way. Just stay right there a minute. I usually follow the trail, which is if you saw the trail would go this way. And then, so go around that way. And then come about this way. And we do that so we can get that everyone's picture with that amazing background. Now a trail is going to look like where water ran, or deer ran, or horses before you ran. See, like there is no trail that way, but there's a cut this way. And if you let your horse kind of do it, but if you do, if you're lost, let your horse figure it out, because the frog, as it hits the ground, releases a pheromone. That's why when Dusty's horses come out here, they know which way we went last time, because they can smell the pheromones left from the scent glands in the frogs. The only time you let your horse make the decision is when you don't know if you can or not. Yeah, that would have been a really good idea.